Alright, today you're going to see a MetalCloak track bar upgrade, both front and rear. Two reasons for doing this. Number one, the MetalCloak components are a lot stronger than factory. And number two, the MetalCloak components are adjustable. Since this Jeep is lifted 2.5 inches and may potentially get up to 3.5 inches of lift, the front end and rear end alignment, the geometry is a little bit off. Not drastically, but a little bit. Adjustable components allow you to correct that and get the correct angles kind of closer to how they're designed from the factory. So, in the meantime, enjoy the video. Alright, using a straight edge on the tire, making sure to put it in the same spot, I'll measure the distance, 3 1/4 on this side.
I think I'm staying out right here because I've got the track position. Hopefully, if we can get running and not have a caution, maybe stage drive. But if I'm one of these guys towards the back, I'm going to take my chances. Maybe come in, put those wet tires on.
3 inches.
You know who hates this right? He had this back on.
So,
his car got destroyed.
what you'll see here is that with the lift kit, the axle is actually shifted to the driver's side. In order to correct that, we're going to replace the track bar here, which will extend the track bar slightly longer and push the axle back that way. And we'll do the same thing in the rear. Okay. Got it coming now. Alright, so, an update. This front track bar here is the only part of this MetalCloak suspension that's not a simple bolt-in. You actually got to enlarge this hole here. So here's what we're using, and part of the reason why it's taking so long, this little double cut rotary file here. It's supposed to be running a DieGrinder. I've been solely going electric. I have not bought me an electric angle grinder. I really need one. So at the moment I'm using a drill. We've done a little bit of cutting here, and I'm not sure which side is still hitting. So I'm going to take my feeler gauges. We're going to see if I got a gap. Let's take 5/1000ths. Let's see. So this side here is clearing. That side there is... Alright, so where we're hitting is right here, because I can't fit the 5/1000ths in there. I got my 5/1000ths back out. We're going to grind right here some more.
Restarts and turns that would create, so a lot of stress.
Rear track bar for 2018 JL Wrangler. 21mm, both sides there. 21mm right here. Just got a flag nut on the back. Pop that old track bar out. Adjust a new one to the same length. And that, we're good to go. Put it all back together. This brake is loose. Put my glasses back on. Maybe if I take that off. Look. That in with the box. That's interesting. Maybe I have to take a sway bar off. Huh. Yeah. I may have to take the sway bar off. Right here. Look at the difference. In the factory, how thin that is, how thick that is. It's a lot beefier. Now right here, we've got them set the exact same length. I actually am going to lengthen it just a hair because it's lifted, and I need to make it a hair longer. So that'll be my starting point for the adjustment. And then I'll take it, resettle it, let it dry, and then we'll measure the tires again like I did in the beginning and keep fine-tuning it. Now, in the meantime, let's put it back together.
Yes. Golly, that's... I didn't do damage to the left front of that 19 car. Nick moved the gas can earlier. I got him two in the lead. It's going to be hard to handle. I didn't check with the performance guy what I call it. And that's the problem throughout the summer.
Alright, quick pit stop. We had to swap batteries, it died. There we go. While we're here, let's go over here. Let's go get some batteries for the tools. I need a big one. I don't want the little ones. Alright. Let's go back to work. That one's tight. And a little bit more on that one. I think we're good to go. Installation of the rear track bar is complete. That didn't take that long. Unlike the front, which I had to grind stuff out of the way. Back out, watch my head for this hitch. There you go. It's cloaked. There was one more thing that I didn't show on video. Gotta tighten that down. So we'll get my Nipex. Alright. Put a little torque stripe on here. So I'll go with it. Alright, now go front, repeat the same thing. You ain't got to see that though. It's the same process. This way, I can look under and know if the bolts are backing out. I love doing this.